And I would like to show you to the kitchen facilities here. As you can see, there's a fridge over there, and also the electric stove and a cooker hood, and then you have the rice cooker, microwave, and then the oven. So over there you can see this cutting board for everyone that likes cooking. I love this pattern. This design is pretty good. And there's a sink over here. This one for all coffee lovers. You can use this coffee machine, coffee grinder, and to boil the water here. You're also gonna get these coffee beans for free, and this is one of my businesses. The brand name is Your Coffee, Your Bean. I do this business with my business partners, Wawan and Elias, and Wawan's family has like the coffee plantation and also vanilla plantation in Plaga, Bali. So that's why this one, you can see this Plaga, and you can see all of the details over here. Yeah, so hopefully that you guys can enjoy the time in the living room and also in Suasanamu Villa, drinking a cup of coffee probably every morning or after lunch, or as many as you could. So, yep, that's it.